I don't know serious, yeah, guys.
I don't know serious. Well, all right. Since I don't know serious, so when she come back here, you can seriously tell her to stay. Because I am not staying. I am fed up of the damn foolishness.
Hey, Jess, what kind of foolishness you go with it? Just go wrong with you. Because I know I couldn't make you go so. Just I want to trouble you.
The damn well know what is troubling me. God, I know she must have a child for you. Maybe children and I don't know about it.
Doctor, give me the good part.
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone and let me give you a full length of rope.
So we are giving full length of rope for after me don't want to hang myself. Joyce, come here and talk, no man. You know, so that there is nothing that they can sit down and talk over.
Shannon, I am fed up of the talking now. Just leave me alone and go on to you, woman.
Don't go send me for go look for nobody, Joyce. I you don't want to talk to man. Then Joyce, you're not going to leave no one in the house. You don't realize that my father just dead. Joyce, so you know that my fatherless.
Shannon, you don't need a father. See, all I know you must be a sugar daddy already.
Last Joyce, man, you know say I don't have any children.
Listen, I will speak for myself. Sorry.
Then that's really hold on a bit. Every time you don't want to rock for you know. Nobody hear this for me now, man. It's all come she get us ups and downs and I'm at for me and I'm not. What make your lifestyle? Sure. Hold on a minute. Sure. She had come accuse me about picnic. She never wait to find out if I jacket. I don't know what tell you one Alvin said can go and park in my taxi spot, you know. So the thief don't try to rob me when you collect the money from the passenger them. I see me see some taxi man is a hang around to mash up everything they set up. And it don't make life no better if your wife won't get up and leave the car.
Yes, my pee, I'm gonna catch you, man.
So wait, and I have somebody live there?
Are you alone in your party?
Well, I'm going to look at me see anybody, no?
But I just swear right here talking a while ago when I reached the door. Ah, you talk to yourself now, man. Well, I can't understand. With Joyce gone, now that's all the thing, you know. But you know, I can't understand a big sensible man like Joyce. Could I just ups and leave or so? She really thinks you don't leave her without fair education. Feel like a dunce girl like Nella.
Sure.
She really thinks you and Nella go on with things.
We don't look for your ass, man.
Nella, that's a girl you know, sir. You know we couldn't do with a girl like that. No, son, not a girl there. Where every man know if your neighbor look like. Mommy don't tell you you shouldn't go on a business with her, you know. Because we should help the people money when up for them time for them get them job. Anyway, party. You go back for Joyce?
Look here, no, man, I'm busy, right? Some of them when you come over here, come disturb me.
Well, I have a woman like Joyce, you know. Every time she leave me would have to go back for her. Even if I have a shed like water to rot it. Anyway, party, I want to talk to you about the business.
I'm not interested in no business with nobody. See, my business, I may have a look out right there, so.
Tell you go for taxi business. That's where that man, no money near that. This is money business we are dealing with.
So, it's what? It's one of something you got wrapped up in a brown paper like state secret, so. What you know, I'm going to blast you over business, you come over here to me, you know.
Oh, yeah. Maybe you're a backward stupidness, man. Take a look on this.
Exactly what is it?
Yeah? Take a look on
You
this.
know, so if I insecure, man, I'm insecure. They call me champion and tell police they have to come from me. Exactly how I know.
Look at it, man.
But all this game you can't say, I don't want you to say anything, you get you there, you come take it. You don't complain, I mean, come here, come back here, I want it. No, I want to something look like vegetable matter. No, man, I don't want you there. No, take your time. Take your time, rat to that man. You don't want to see. Take your time and lick it. Have mercy. Come on, come on. Come on. You don't want to ganja. You don't want to ganja. You don't want to ganja in here. Come on, come on, see the ganja. Come on, want to ganja in here. And don't see me like that one. Come on, come on, see the trouble.
No trouble in it, father. We're not going to smoke it. This is just a sample.
Sample? A sample, you call it? You have a sample of prison sentence here?
Paddy, me here say whole of society man deal with this thing nowadays, you know. Hard police and politicians deal with this now.
That even make it worse. Because anything politician in that is no good. And then the man we are dealing with them something that's a wicked.
All right. Before I start condemning everybody, just hear me out on my feet.
Hear you out. All right. I'm going to hear you out. Before I kick you out.
I'm going to go down the story, child. This man, I'm going to get up. I decided to do some wood carving. Because I hear say sculpture business is big business nowadays. Now, just like I carve a piece of wood, I see a dreadlocks are coming on the street. Smoke a tongue out and moves like them chimney down a cake man. When him reach my gate, him stop and shake him head to me. And then
you get the inspiration to carve a rasta head out of wood.
Him invite me to take a draw for him split. Just like draw the split party, I start to reason within myself.
Yes, boy, him gone.
Hear him to me now, Pete. Party in my brethren. The herbs is allowed and the fullness thereof. And when him said to me, there is more this came from. Same time, a reason it me party. You know how much money we can make out of this thing with all the tourists that come to Jamaica nowadays.
Zaki. When will you learn? And I know this is not your idea. This never come out of your head. Zaki, remember say we don't have any luck with police? You remember the last encounter with police, what happened? Remember when it was like a boy going to primary school and he was coming home from school one evening and was playing ball and you back the ball and lick the policeman in the jeep and him jump out and jeep and run you down and catch you and you was so frightened that you pissed off yourself.
Remember, man, remember when they run me, you know, and catch me and them lift me up and I start to pee-pee. And the people run down my trousers, put straight down chest and with the whole line closed. You remember when they dropped me and run that jet go me here?
Oh yes, I remember. But this time you won't be so lucky. Because nowadays policemen are going to lift you up so you can't be spotted. And you could have run fast like jet. You can't run faster than them M69. Lord of His mercy, that's the police. That is the police. I'm coming out. Officer, me a come. No go in the house. No go in the house. I said, come on, sir. Officer, me a come, officer. Me a come. No go in there. I said, no go in there. Come on, tell me, officer, me coming, officer. Me a come, officer. Me a come. Me a come, officer. Look everywhere, officer. Look under the couch, Officer, take out your gun, take out your gun. Because it's a dangerous criminal.
This who you are called officer now?
Jackie, come out. You're brute,
Then tell me something now, Shalva. Where am I hide from?
my dear, it's a green story.
But see, I don't know Sam over here already. I know him me come to. I just business me come look after.
What kind of business?
None of your business. Charlie,
Yeah?
Jai sent me for something where she left in her room. But you know me a woman, me no like when a people room, you know. Even if me and them are best friends, so kindly go for it for me.
Mrs. Piece of shit your mouth here. Because when I see him, I don't want to always sit and chat people business. You're bugger, you think I'm police, too? What a way you take off that jet. your little heart can't deal with them, that's all that business then.